Hi everyone, what is going on? My name is Jamie Palmer and welcome to another episode with the Binary Destroyer 7.0. So this week has been an incredible week for me. A lot of volatility in the market, a lot of big moves, and today is no different. So basically I've been looking at eyeing up this setup for the past 10 minutes and I'm going to take a cheeky buy on GPUSD, okay? And I'll show you some of my results today, or shall I say, I'll show you my live trading today, and I'll show you some of the results for this week. So I'm going to take two buys on there, okay? Now, I had a lot of emails, a lot of messages from yesterday's video where I talked about what I was doing in the market while in isolation. Now, because the spread, I've just had a quick look, my first trades for the day, the volatility and spreads on here are ridiculous, but they've just gone into profit. Yes. Ready? Look, I don't know what it is, but for the past, since I've been in isolation, all of my trades have literally just hit take profit within a couple of minutes. So hopefully, fingers crossed, today is the same. Now, like I was saying, I was showing a lot of members, or my video that I uploaded yesterday on YouTube, I was showing a lot of members what I've been doing during these isolation. And I've been using the diversions with the TCA lines, with the arrows outside of the zone, have been pretty incredible, okay? I mean, I'll give you the reasons why I took a buy on GPUSD. Now, notice now, okay, first of all, we had this double bottom here. If I just draw it up, okay, I'll break down the charts for you, okay? Just pause my phone. Okay, drop. So first of all, okay, let's just break down this and I'll show you the method in my madness, okay? So you can see this area of resistance here, okay? Notice how, area of support, dare I say. Notice how the RSI has turned red, so the market's oversold. We're at a resistance support area here, okay? And we actually popped an AND signal, which was just here. So you can see this nice little AND signal here. And again, if we were going for 5 pips here, we would have made a nice amount of money here, okay? To give you an exact, this trade went to about 30 pips, but hitting 5 pips done quite easily. Now, we could have entered here as well. This is also another AND signal, but what I don't like about this trade, okay, and this is the difference between why an experienced trader can make money during these times and a beginner can't. If you'd entered here, okay, let me just show you why entering here was a bad reason, okay? Notice here, this is our support line. That support gets broken, okay? So if support gets broken, what do you think the next move is going to be? Down. So you do not want to take this arrow here. But if you look at this arrow here, we were bouncing off this support area. It never got broken. In fact, if I get rid of this here, we actually popped as well a diversion signal. Okay, we got a nice diversion signal here. So we've got diversion, we've got a support that's being held, we've got an AND signal, okay, and we've actually also just here as well, okay, I'm just going to be cheeky, I'm going to take another 2 more buys at this level here. Okay, just there. So I've got 4 buys now on GPUSD. But just look at this, okay? Notice how it's being held. Okay, we're at another support area here. Okay, just there. Okay, notice that? And look at the RSI getting weaker and weaker and weaker. Now, this is the key thing about trading these times, okay? Go for small pips. 5 pips at a time, okay? I've been going for 5 pips and I've been smashing it. I mean, like I said, I'll show you my results for, okay, these should hit take profit very soon. Okay, these are my results for history for this week, okay? So this week, £452, okay? And that's not, when I say week, that's only really 3 days worth of trading, okay? So I'm quite happy with that. 3 days worth of trading, whatever I do today, okay? Just notice these trades now, okay? Just about to hit. You can see we're rejecting from here again. Remember what I said, wicks on bottom means price is being pushed up, okay? Which is good. But yeah, go for 5 pips, right? Bare minimum. Just get in and out, right? A lot of traders try and go for 20, 50, 100 pips, right? Now, the problem is when you go for such big pips, it means you're in the market for longer, okay? Which means your trades are open for longer, which means you're exposing yourself to volatility, you're exposing yourself to news, and price can suddenly go against you. So what you want to be doing is getting in and out. And I've had a lot of members messaging me yesterday and emailing me last night and this morning saying, you know, that they're glad they watched the video. It made a lot of sense, and they've had some really great success with it this morning. Okay, notice how, again, price is going against me. Now, you're probably wondering, I haven't set a stop loss here. Now, the reason why I haven't set a stop loss is purely because I use psychological levels. Okay, I use my mind for setting a stop loss. Reason being is because I understand right now that the random spikes can happen in the market. And for me, if I've got a stop loss in place, it can take me out, okay? And for me, I use those random spikes as better entry points to enter the market, okay? Because I can see here, we're at a support line. I can see the momentum slowing down. The binary destroyer has given me an and signal, divergence signal. It's giving me a good chance to buy, okay? I'm just going to flick over the charts now. Okay, look at these beautiful Mogwai signals here. Look at that. Look at that beautiful Mogwai signal. That there could have given me 65 pips, and this trade here is still going, but could have given you 34 pips. USD CAD, I'm just going to switch this over to the 5-minute time frame. Okay. And I'm going to... Okay, look at these rejection wicks here. Okay, look at these rejection wicks. I'm just going to load up the and strategy here because that's what I've been trading for the past 2 weeks. And strategy diversions. Okay, nothing really there at the minute. USD JPY. Okay, we're bouncing off a resistance there at the minute. And that's bad because if USD is going up, GPUSD is going to go down. So at the minute, I'm out of the money on GPUSD. EURUSD is just going sideways. We had a signal there. Okay, that is, I mean, that would have gone 5 pips easily. So that would have got filled. Gold has given a nice signal. Look at gold. Beautiful textbook signal there. Look at this, right? This is what I've been trading all week, okay? And signals with diversions, okay? And what I've been saying to the BD members is you can either enter on the diversions, you can either enter on this arrow here, or you can wait for the price to close above the TCA line, which could have been this candle, or it could have been this candle, again, targeting 5 pips. Wherever you would have entered on this setup, you would have hit your 5 pips. So very, very good setup there. And in fact, I might have a signal on GP CAD as well, just there. Look, again, look at that resistance line, a support area here. Look at the diversions, okay? I'm going to quickly enter a buy on GP CAD. GP CAD. Again, I'm going to go for take your profit 5 pips. In fact, I'm going to take 2 trades. I'm going to take 2 trades. Okay, so there we go. Okay, at the minute, I'm still out of money on GPUSD, which doesn't quite worry me, okay, because it looks like we're rejecting still from this zone. We haven't actually gone any lower, which is good, okay. I can accept some drawdown, okay, considering how I've had a really good week. This arrow hasn't stayed. Okay, or it has stayed, it's flickering. I need to wait for the actual candle to close before I enter a trade here, but it's giving me a signal, so I know either an arrow is going to appear on this candle or next candle, whatever, I'm entering the market. So 2 setups, GP CAD and GPUSD. So what I'm going to do, everyone, is GPUSD is pulling back slightly now. You can see that rejection wick, another rejection wick to the upside, which is interesting. So what I'll do, everyone, is I'm going to pop this like this. I'm going to disappear for around 10 minutes, get some food, and I'll be back very, very soon. So I'll update you. Like I said, I'll show you my history for today. Okay, my history for today is, hold on, today's history. Hold on when it loads. Today's trading history is, guess what? 0. 0 here. Okay, so like I said, I've got 6 open trades on, and hopefully every single one hits take profit. You can see that GPUSD is pulling back slightly now, which is good. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back. Hi everyone, so it's been about 5 minutes and a quick update. It looks like GPUSD is just about to hit take profit. Well, those first two, well, no, it's fluctuating now. Okay, it looks like we're going to at least come up to this TCA line here. So that's around, from where we are now, that's around 6 pips, okay? Which should hit take profit, okay? Like I said, for me to be confident to say that this is going to go up, I want to see that closed above the TCA line. But you see these rejection wicks at the minute, so it is fluctuating. Like I said, we were close to hitting take profit, then we're not, then we're going back up, then we're not. So yeah, I'll pause the video. I'll be back very soon when I update you with these trades. Hi everyone, a lot of these trades are just hitting take profit. Come on, come on, come on. They definitely are. Come on, so close. One of them's just closed. They're all going up. Come on. I hate it when this happens. You're sitting there and it's like, come on, just close in take profit. I'm currently sitting at around 53 quid. I might close these GP CAD. Oh, now prices up down again. We rejected straight off that TCA line. But at the minute, like I said, I think we've got 2 trades just hit take profit. Yeah, so up 65 quid now with 2 trades left to go. I just want to have a quick recap, see what's happening. Okay, well, so we're rejecting off that TCA line, which is exactly what I said was happening. And I was hoping that they would hit take profit when we reach that TCA line, but in fact, it's just rejected off it. And GP CAD, again, well, GP CAD's still going to push up slightly, which is okay. So I'm going to actually, based off my analysis, GPUSD, if that pushes back up, I might close these in early, which is the top 2 here, and bottom 2 at the minute, leave that. So yeah, I was hoping they're all going to hit take profit, but they didn't. So I'll pause the video and I'll be back very soon when I get another update. Hi everyone, quick date. I've just entered 2 more trades on GPUSD. Okay, we've just say it again. I've entered 2 more trades on GPUSD. We've just popped a divergence there, as you can see, RSI and the BD7 is giving me a diversion signal. We're still at this support line at the bottom, even though we just closed very bearish. Okay, but again, look at the RSI. Momentum's getting weaker and weaker and weaker, and I enter a 5 pips when this happens. Okay, regardless if I'm in trades or not, I will enter when I get diversions like this with support resistance with the 7.0. So yeah, that explains why I've entered 2 more trades. So yeah, I'll be back very soon once again, update on these. So a quick update on where we are now. GPUSD actually crashed, okay, and it gave me quite a large drawdown. As you can see here, it went down and then suddenly spiked up. This is a typical market move, typical market makers move, where exactly if you had a stop loss here, you would have got took out, because what would happen in a situation like this is, let me just mark it up here, is you'd see the support area here, you'd probably have a stop around here, obviously priced reversed, took your stop loss out, and then reversed back up again. I knew this was going to happen, okay, and I actually took a number of trades as well, and as you can see, my profit for today, okay, let me just have a quick look at the week. So today's is £294, okay, and at the week I am, this is the week, and let me just have a quick look, or shall I say the 4th trading day. I am, hold on, when it decides it's going to work, £746, okay, but this is the but, okay, GP CAD is giving me quite a large drawdown. I mean, 30 pips drawdown, 300 minus 365 pips. But if you actually look at my profit for today, okay, I'm up £294, so I'm still down around 70 quid at the minute. But see, look, GPUSD is still climbing. I should have held my trades. Now, what I'm going to do with GPCAD, okay, and I want to do this kind of in front of you so you can see how I kind of get myself out of these positions. Now, you can see here, okay, GPCAD popped a divergence signal, okay, and I actually entered here for 5 pips, and as you can see, I'm sitting at around 26 pips profit since this divergence signal. Now, this is exactly, in fact, I'm just going to get my trigger finger ready. So GPCAD, buy one lot, 5 pips like this, okay. So yeah, this is the kind of trades that I've been taking all week. When you get a divergence signal like this, divergence signal outside of the zone, okay, go for 5 pips. And as you can see, this easily got filled. But I actually entered this trade on this arrow here, which is giving me quite a large drawdown. Like I said, I'm down. I'm down almost 400 quid. Now, because we've popped a diversion signal now, okay, I want to wait for a close above this TCA line. And if we do that, I'm going to re-enter again and try and get myself out of this sticky situation at the minute. Like I said, my stop loss for this is actually below here somewhere, okay. So at the minute, we're kind of hovering. We did initially drop and then we pulled back. So I want to see a close above this TCA line before I enter again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to close overall in a profit or a small loss. Like I've just got to see, look, you see here? Okay, look at the candlestick patterns tell a lot. Okay, and at the minute we are going up, going down. I can see the momentum is slowing down because if you actually look at the RSI, okay, if you actually look at the RSI, we're going to pop this like this. What's happening with my computer? My computer's randomly freezing all the time. I don't know, my phone's going off. Hold on. Sorry, my phone went off. So, yeah, okay, as you can see here, look at the candlesticks, okay? We're getting rejection wicks on the bottom. So, I'm going to get my trigger finger ready. I'm going to try and see if I can get 10 pips out of this, okay? I'm going to go again. I'm going to buy it as soon as we close above that TCA line, okay? That's the crucial part. I want to see a close above that TCA line. I'm going to go for 10 pips, take profit. And then what I'm going to do is I'll try and get myself out of this situation, okay? But at the minute, we're just going sideways, okay? GPUSD is still climbing, okay? We've had a slight pullback, but notice it now, okay? Notice how what's happening is in the space of half an hour, we've gone to exactly where we were before. We've gone down, then gone back up, and it's exactly the same price as it was half an hour ago. Okay, which means there's a lot of market makers in play at the minute telling me that I really shouldn't be trading during this time, because this is the time where you're going to get increased spreads, a lot of volatility, and a lot of market makers trying to take traders out. Okay, but if you know how to read the charts, you can use this as your advantage. So at the minute, nothing's happening. I want to see a close above that TCA line, which, there we go. Okay, here we go, here we go. I'm going to take one buy there. I'm going to take another buy there. There we go. Right. Okay. So, look at the volatility straight away down to 6 pips. Okay, I'm going to, these should hopefully, if I just look at my next target area, my next target if it continues down, is around this level here. Okay, now if that does happen, this trade should go around 25 pips. Okay, so give and take 25 pips to this next resistance area. Look at the diversion signal. Okay, look, interesting here. Look at that diversion signal outside of the zone. Like that, we would be sitting almost 28, 30 pips with this trade. Okay, obviously I closed it in 5 pips, but if I held them, I probably would not be in these trades at the minute. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update you very soon. I'll pause the video, come back in a couple of minutes time, and I'll update you very soon. We have finally closed above this TCA line. I'm actually going to close all these trades off now. My today's history is £294. Okay, and that, everyone, is me done. Okay, 3, 2, 1, done. Right, finished. Closed all the trades off. That's me. I've got out of the situation now, and that's me done for today. Obviously I've closed some trades off in a loss. Okay, £179 in profit, obviously for today, and this week has given me, everyone, should be around £631 for the week, which is my target, because my target is around £500 a week. So I'm happy with that. £130 more than my target, which is what I'm happy with. But like I said, okay, just going back to these charts as well. Okay, just get rid of this now because I do not no longer need that. Close it all. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, just get rid of it. Okay, look where we enter with diversions outside the signal. Look at this here. Look at that. Okay, 30 pips this trade went to. And I also want to show you what was it as well. USD/JPY. Okay, look at that nice sell off USD/JPY at the minute. This double top pattern, some resistance you can see here, 30-minute resistance, 1 hour resistance, and now we're just crashing, which is really good. Okay, no diversion signals there. Okay, but just notice, okay, what's interested now, okay, we've got diversions and we've closed. In fact, I'm going to be cheeky. Have I still got my C trade? I have. I've still got my C trade. I'm going to buy again. Okay, I'm just going to quickly buy right now. I'm probably going to regret that. Okay. GP CAD, buy. And have I got to take profit on this? I have. Okay, I'm going to try and squeeze another 5 pips out of this trade. Because you remember what I said? Okay, TCA line. I mean, what I was going to say, diversions line outside the zone. And when we close above the TCA line, go for 5 pips. Which is exactly what I've done, but I shouldn't have, you know, I really shouldn't have took this trade, but I've done it anyway. Like I said, my history for today is 179. So if I can get this to 200 quid, okay, I'm not going to take any more trades after this. That's me done after this. I'm not taking any more. Okay, but we're going up, come on, come on. Just push up a little bit higher. And now we're sitting around 3 pips. Right, okay, I'll pause the video. I'll be back in a couple of minutes when this trade does something. Hi everyone. So I'm just going to close these positions off now. Okay, because I'm going to, there you go, 78 quid. Boom, done. There we go. Right, sorry, I had to cut them trades off early, but look at the spike there. I've literally been here for about an hour and a half now. So I'm going to nip out, as you can see, 261 quid, which brings my total for the week. Current month is, I'm going to bring it in, is for 4 days worth of trading, £715, up up £215 on my target. So yes, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like I said, just remember on this, okay, you close above the TCA line, okay, go for 5 pips, winner, winner, chicken dinner, can't go wrong. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, drop me an email at thebinarydestroyer@gmail.com. Have an awesome weekend, and I'll see you all for another trading session next Monday. So thank you for watching.